Okay, let's go on holiday. There aren't that many drinks out there that can take you there, but let me tell you, this one can. This is the official drink of Puerto Rico. Today I'm making a Virgin Pina colada. What makes this drink authentic is all of its ingredients are fresh and nothing comes from a can. First, what you're going to do is you're going to need to get your coconut meat. So I have a bowl of fresh coconut meat here. In order to get this, I went to my local store and I have young Thai coconuts. Okay, so there's a method to the madness. Now in order to get the meat out of a coconut, you're going to take the back side of a knife and just hit along the fracture line until it busts open. Okay, so the first step is we're going to need to make our homemade coconut cream. And then I'm going to be putting coconut water in. Okay. And see how thick that is? It's super creamy. Half frozen and half fresh pineapple. Just a few pieces of the coconut meat in, and then I'm going to put 1 cup of coconut cream. The trick is you want to get that perfect smooth consistency. So you want to be patient and make sure you blend it fully. I'm using a Vitamix. I'm going to put it up on the high speed for about a little under a minute. See how thick and creamy it is? This is exactly the consistency. And see, oh my gosh, isn't that adorable? I'm gonna have a sip. It doesn't get any better than that. It does not get any better than that. That's a winner.